How to disable your Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to temporarily deactivate your account through the Instagram app on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Account Center. In the next step, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom of the Account Center page. Following this, tap on your Instagram account from the list. Once done, tap the Manage button right next to your account's name. From here, tap on Deactivation or Deletion to see both options. At this stage, select Deactivate Account to temporarily disable your profile. After this, select the reason for deactivating from the list and enter your password when prompted. Finally, tap Continue to confirm and your account will be deactivated immediately. Once deactivated, your profile, photos, and posts will be completely hidden until you log back in. Simply sign in anytime to reactivate everything exactly as you left it. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you disable your account, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.